everyone, welcome back to a new video on my channel. My name is Ankita. If you're new here, then please take a moment to check out other videos on my channel. I make mostly fashion and makeup content. If you like my content, then please do consider subscribing, and you can also share my videos with your friends and family. It will really help me a lot. A lot of you say that I deserve more subscribers, but I really can't do much about it. If you want to help me out, then please do share my videos, of course with people who will be interested in such content. Also, I really want to know you guys better, so I have a question for you all. Kindly let me know, how did you discover my channel? Are you a recent follower, or you have been following me since a long time, like from the time when I used to make those DIY videos? Let me know, and we can interact with each other in the comment section. Coming to the video, so in this video I wanted to share like a small haul. I have different pieces from different websites, and also I bought a few things offline that I wanted to share with you guys, because I really liked everything that I got. I wanted to share with you guys, and also these are all things that I bought way back, maybe in January or February, or maybe before that. I did a little bit of shopping then, and I wanted to share all of these items with you. If I can find the links to the pieces, I will definitely insert them in the description box. So do check that out. Now let's just start with the haul. Starting with the dress that I'm wearing. It's a very pretty polka dot maxi dress that I got from Myntra. It's really comfortable. It's really nice and flowy. It also gives a really nice shape to the body. I really like this dress. I had styled this in a previous video. I was wearing this in my Sonam Kapoor inspired Sabyasachi outfit video. Not a lot of you have checked out that video. In case you haven't, please do check it out. I'll link it above. I really like the way that video turned out, and if you're interested in recreating celebrity outfits under a budget, you will also really like it. And also in general, I think the outfit turned out to be really nice, since it comes with buttons that can be opened completely. So I was wearing this like a layering piece in that video. So this can be worn like a dress as well as like a layering piece. If I can, I'll definitely link it in the description box. If you need something like this, you can definitely check it out. Moving on to the next piece from Myntra. This was also something that I wore in that video. It's a black maxi skirt with golden foil print all over, and it has this golden border at the bottom. It's like a really nice skirt, and it's also really versatile. I have worn this in two of my other videos, the Sonam Kapoor one and also another outfit video. I'll have that video linked above as well. In that video, I was wearing it with a blouse and a dupatta to create like a lehenga. So you can create like a custom lehenga with this maxi skirt, or you can also style it with a kurta. And since it's black and gold, it will work with a lot of different outfits. It's a really versatile piece, and it's of decent quality. It's a little bit see-through. It doesn't come with any lining, so you need to wear something inside. Just keep that in mind if you are planning to get this one. So this one was the second piece from Myntra. Moving on to the third item. It's by the brand Sassafras. It's an off-white shrug, and it will go with a lot of pieces. You can wear it with your Indian wear and your Western wear. You can layer it over different outfits and create
new looks each time.
This is like another layering piece that I got. So this one was the third piece, also from Myntra. I really like this one. Next, I want to share these different blouses that I got from different websites. I was planning on doing a separate video on them. Let me know if you want to see like a detailed review kind of a video on these. So I'll just show them to you in this video. So the first blouse or crop top that I got is from the brand Abhishti. It's a really nice orange color wrap style top, and
it has
a golden border and these tie-up details that you can tie around your waist and like create a really nice bow. And I got this from their website. This was priced at rupees 18.99. I still have the tag on, but I paid like 1,000 rupees for it. It's like a crop top, not really a blouse, but you can definitely wear it with your saris and like use it like a blouse. So this is one of the pieces. Next, I got this like proper blouse from Nykaa Fashion, and this is by the brand
True Browns. It's a magenta color blouse with full sleeves and golden border all along the neckline and also on the bottom.
It has a really deep front neckline, so if you are heavy chested then you can definitely give this a skip because it doesn't have a lot of material to give you that kind of support, so you can definitely skip this one.
It was for Rs 2200.
This one was very expensive. Like, I wanted to try out blouses of different price ranges, so I went for this one. It's like a really average piece. The look that it gives is really nice though. If you want me to share like a detailed review on this one, please let me know. The next blouse that I got is from the brand Tijori, and this is how it looks. It's maroon in color with these golden checks printed all over. It has these really long sleeves that gathers up over here near the wrist, and it creates these folds that look really nice. So this is how the blouse looks. It has these buttons in front that can be opened completely, so if you want you can also wear it like a jacket. So this is how the piece looks like. It's a cotton blouse and I really like it. The next blouse is by the brand India, and I also got this from their website. It's a really versatile golden blouse. You get this zigzag pattern in front with sheer long sleeves, and it also has this golden detail on the sleeve with the same material, and the back is plain. This one is not padded. None of the blouses are padded. So this is how it looks. I really like this one. It's really versatile. You will be able to pair it with a lot of different outfits. Next, I got two jewelry pieces from Zaveri Pearls. The first one is this one. It's a really royal looking necklace set. These are the earrings. The earrings can be worn on their own as well. It's really pretty, and of course since it's golden with kundan and pearl details, you will be able to pair it with any Indian outfit with golden work, of course. So this is how it looks. The second piece that I got is this pair of earrings from the same brand, Zaveri Pearls. I got both of these from Amazon. It's like a really nice long earrings. It's got maroon and blue meenakari work on golden and also kundan detail. It's like a really nice statement piece that you will be able to pair with a lot of Indian outfits. Now I want to show you everything that I got offline. Some of the pieces you might get online. If I can find these, I will definitely link them. First, I want to share these two dupattas. These were just for 100 rupees. I got it from a random stall in Goria Hut in Kolkata. These come in a bunch of different colors.
I got one in black and the other one in this really pretty dark chocolate brown kind of a color. They have a golden border.
If you have these dupattas in different colors, you can mix and match them with different outfits and create a lot of new looks. I could also find something similar on Amazon. I will have the link in the description box. They were exactly the same. They were for 150 or 160 rupees. You can definitely give this a try. The other dupatta that I got from Goria Hut is this printed one. I have styled this in a previous video in my turning western pieces into Indian wear, that video. You can check it out. It's a really versatile dupatta with an off-white base, and it has this grey and black print all over. It's a really beautiful dupatta that can be paired with a lot of outfits. So this one was for 150 rupees. The last piece that I got from Goria Hut is this pair of printed palazzo pants. It's in a kalamkari print, and I got it to wear around the house, but you can definitely wear it outside as well when and if you get to go outside, that is. And I just paid 150 rupees for it. Next, I had got this random nightwear kind of shorts to wear around the house and to of course wear and sleep at night. I got this from FBB and it was really inexpensive. It was for 229 rupees, and these are really cute also. This is how it looks.
Next, I bought a pair of sky blue denim shorts from Shoppers Stop. This one is also super cute.
This can be paired with any t-shirt or with a white shirt. It will look really cute. I had also got this really cute dress from Westside. This is by the brand Nuon, and it's like a really cute mustard color dress with this design all over. I hope you can see. It's sleeveless and it has a really cute neckline. Also, it has these buttons
in front. I had bought this dress for a weekend trip with my friends, but of course
because of COVID, I cancelled my plan. Westside is also available on Tata Click. I'll see if I can find this piece because it's really cute and if I can, I'll have it linked in the description box. The last two pieces are like jewelry items and they are also from Westside. I got these sometime back. This silver bangles with blue stones. I hope you can see. I had shared this in a previous video, I'm sure, but I just wanted to mention it again because they were just so pretty. If you can find something similar online, you can definitely check it out. And the next one is this pair of earrings. It's like these silver earrings with kundan details and these sort of ghungroos at the bottom. This one is also really pretty. It's like a top with a crescent shape at the bottom. It's really nice and something unique. So I just really like this. I wanted to just include it in this video. So that is it. These were all the pieces that I got online and offline. Definitely do not go to buy any of these right now. Now is not the time, even though a lot of business is being affected by it, but still I would say it's not the time to go out shopping. Spend your money wisely and also just take care of your health and be safe. That is it. That is everything that I wanted to share in this video. Thank you so much for watching it, and if you can, just share it with your friends. It will really help me out. You can also connect with me on all my other social media. I'll have the links in the description box. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you very soon in my next one. Bye.